Hello, and thanks for joining me for another unboxing. Today we have the NuVision Encite Split 11. This is on loan from a friend, so I'm going to go do an unboxing and I'm going to get it right back to him. This is a new tablet from Walmart, and you can pick this up for $249 and plus tax. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in the box. Okay. This tablet does come with a keyboard, and I'm going to cover up the specs and stuff like that because I want to give it a full review before I let you know exactly what it has in it. But let's go ahead and open it up, see if we can. Got your packing material. Looks like the tablet's right on top, and the keyboard and everything's right inside of it. NuVision logo inside this box. Let's see. There's nothing left, just packing material in there. In this box you have, looks like you have a charger, and here is a USB-C to USB 3.0. Here is a USB-C to HDMI. That's pretty neat. Be able to hook it up to your television. Looks like the user manual. Okay, let's go ahead and get a sneak peek at the tablet and keyboard. It's not light. I thought it was going to be lighter, but it's not. Like I said, it comes with a keyboard. I think it looks just as nice as the Surface Go, but pretty nice. They have glass on the front, and this part pops off, comes out. Has your pogo pins on the bottom. Little shelf there. It's got a hinge. It seems like a pretty good deal. Whoop, it just snaps right back. That's a strong magnet. Wow, that is heavy. I've had laptops lighter than that. Anyway, that's the unboxing of the NuVision Encite Split 11. Like I said, you can pick this up at Walmart for $249. And I'm going to keep this about a week, do a review on it, and then get it back to my friend. He's probably chomping at the bit, ready to play with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and please share my videos.